What's up, guys? All right, come with me to add an extra ground cable to my Camaro. I've been getting this dumb issue where, like, when a car gets really hot or something, like the starter, I guess, doesn't get enough voltage, and so it ends up like kind of sputtering out. And it sucked because I was actually against an F body actually when I was leaving a dispensary over here, and I tried to turn on the car and it was just like, and I was like, dang it, it's gonna take forever. And then it finally turned over, but like, oh, it sounded disgusting. It's annoying. But yeah, come with me here. We're gonna check it out. We're gonna fix that, hopefully, and we'll see what happens. All right. So, ow, hit my head. Anyways, ow, I hit my so I had to take out this ground cable down here. It was actually a little bit more towards the chassis area right down here. So just use the 10 millimeter here deep socket, and I just got it out. Yeah, don't use a deep socket though. It took me a little bit. Now we're gonna take out the other 15 millimeter bolt right here. You can see it focused on there underneath the spark plug wire. And then we're gonna connect this ground cable. And I've been thinking, is it gonna fit? But only one way to find out, right? So yeah, check it out. All right, so took that bolt off here and screwed it off, put this ground cable in there. The other one is going over here. And we're gonna tighten it all back up. So at this point of the video, I ended up trying to get a good angle here, so I had to kind of maneuver this phone around. But we got it. And then so we already connected the ground cable to the bolt to the engine block. So now we have to do the other side, connected to the chassis. So that's me right there, just doing all the back and forth. It's a bit of a tight squeeze here with that black cable here, but yeah, I used a small deep socket and it worked out good. So yeah, just took a little bit long. After that here, you're going to notice here I had to bend the wire a little bit here. I noticed it was touching the heat shield on the headers, and that would have not been good if it caught on fire or something. So I had to just push it in there, just make sure I had a good little space in between. Bam, easy peasy. And that was it. Put everything back together after this, intake and all, and then turn it back on.